that thermoplastic. I ordered in Lazada and then tray this can very fast. So now we open. Oh, the price is this one I ordered Lazada and I pay 15 RM in Malaysian money. See guys. A bit cute. Pretty cute. You put hot water and cold water. Have many cups. Three cups. All this one is a 3 cups. This is 3 cups too. We unbox the shoes that I buy in the Lazada. It's almost 3 weeks arrive, and then it worked 29 RM, right? So now we open. We will check the size if nice or not. I buy the 37 size. A bit cute. 37. It's just fit to my feet. The size okay, very flexible and then nice. And then like this. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, guys. Bye.